professionalyoutube.com channel video. To the responsible parties, I have sent professional letters in regards to professional face-to-face meetings that I have directly addressed in absolute professional and dignified manners. It is not that I have not heard from you in regards to communications that I have delegated. It is such that I have directly contacted your offices in person and professionally left a professional note with the secretary just to hope for a response or confirmation in the future of setting up a new plan for a meeting in the future that I would gladly accept. With the professionalism and lack of your professionalism as a mayor of mayors and irrelevant response time, you have failed as a responsible party of even delivering a pre-prepared message to assure that I would not hear from you. Nor would you even give me the human dignity to reject my professional call for a 10-minute meeting of your impossible schedule that you have no time for. It is not that there was no guarantee for there to ever be a professional meeting, but your absolute non-response of your impossible busy schedule without technology nor professional computer robot response to the professional letter that you received in person implicates you as responsible for your own lack of professionalism as an unprofessional representative of the people as a fault of your own, as a newspaper implicates itself by rejecting professional opportunities out of unprofessionalism. Professionally, if you want a response, I am to return to your offices in person as to professionally waste my time as you waste your professional time on precious things that mean nothing to your candidacy, responsibilities, and professionalism as a person of your professional manner. Professional communications. I expect to leave another paper letter that you will not respond to or will respond in some unprofessional manner or rejection. So please don't assume that I am not a professional communicator nor a professional, because that would be unprofessional of you. In professional regards, Stephen Stone, Clips, thank you.